Hey world, Ethan's here and I'm happy to be your host again. In this video, we're excited to have you along as we explore Facebook Ads Manager. In today's digital world, having a strong online presence is crucial for businesses of all sizes. But with so much competition on social media, it can be tough to get your messages seen by the right people. That's where Facebook Ads Manager comes in. Now, Facebook Ads Manager is a powerful advertising platform that allows you to create targeted ads and reach a massive audience on Facebook and Instagram. It offers a wide range of features to help you achieve your specific marketing goals, whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or generating leads and sales. Now, I'm going to walk you through the whole process of creating a Facebook Ads Manager account, which makes you able to take your marketing stage to the next level. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Step number 1, gearing up. Meta Business Manager. Before diving into Ads Manager, ensure you have a Meta Business Manager account. This central hub goes beyond just ad campaigns. It acts as your mission control center, connecting your Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, WhatsApp business accounts, and ad accounts under one roof. This streamlined approach allows for seamless campaign management, audience building, and performance measurements across all your Meta properties. Having everything centralized makes it easier to collaborate with team members, track campaign performance across different platforms, and gain a holistic view of your customer journey. Now let's head over to Pixel Power. The Facebook Pixel is your secret weapon, tracking website visitors and building valuable customer data. Install it on your website to unlock retargeting capabilities and optimize your campaigns. The Pixel empowers you to not only track website visits, but also specific actions users take on your site, such as adding items to a cart or making a purchase. This granular data allows you to create highly targeted retargeting campaigns, reminding website visitors about the products or services they viewed and compelling them to complete the desired action. Additionally, the Pixel helps you build custom audiences based on website behavior, allowing you to reach users who have already interacted with your brand in a meaningful way. Step number 2, defining your mission. Now, what are the campaign objectives? Ask yourself, what victory do I seek? Identify your primary goal, brand awareness, website traffic, lead generation, or sales conversions. This objective will guide every campaign decision. Now, ideal audience identification. Know your ideal customer. Facebook Ads Manager boasts granular targeting options. Leverage demographics, interests, behaviors, and custom audience to reach those most receptive to your message. Step number 3, crafting the message. Now, what are ad formats? Choose the format that best suits your content. Images, videos, trousers, or collections. Each has its own strength. Consider the emotional impact you want to create and information you need to convey. Eye-catching creatives. Attention spans are fleeting. Utilize high-quality visuals, captivating headlines, and clear calls to action. Remember, your visuals are the first impression, so make it count. Now, what is compelling copy? Words are your weapon. Craft clear, concise, and benefit-oriented ad copy that speaks directly to your target audience needs and desires. Step number 4, optimizing the campaign, budget and bidding. Determine your budget, the total amount you're willing to spend on the campaign. Choose a bidding strategy that aligns you with your goals. Cost per click CPC for website traffic, cost per acquisition or CPA for conversions, and etc. A/B testing. Don't settle for assumptions. Test different ad variations to see which resonates best with your audience. Facebook Ads Manager built-in testing tools allow for data-driven optimization. Step number 5, monitoring and measurement. Now, what is Campaign Insights? Unleash your inner data detective. Facebook Ads Manager comprehensive analytics dashboard is your treasure trove. Track key metrics like impressions, clicks, conversions, and cost per acquisition or CPA to understand how your campaign is performing. Analyze demographics and user behavior to identify areas for improvement. Performance optimization. Based on your data, refine your campaign. Adjust budget, optimize ad formats, and tailor your targeting for maximum impact. Now you have a solid understanding of how to leverage Facebook Ads Manager to take your business to the next level in 2024. But remember, success doesn't stop there. Facebook Ads Manager is a powerful tool, but it's just one piece of puzzle. To maximize your return on investment, you'll also need to stay updated on the latest trends and best practices in social media marketing. This includes things like understanding the evolving social media landscape, creating engaging content that resonates with your audience, and staying on the top of the latest algorithm changes. By continuously learning and adapting your strategy, you can ensure that your Facebook ads are reaching the right people and delivering the results you desire. And now we have reached the end of the video, and thanks for watching. But before saying goodbye, I just want to represent a perfect service that could align you with your marketing and business goals: the Prospect Engine. So if you were in search of leads manually but ended up with nothing yet, SEO Finder provides a solution, and that's the Prospect Engine. With that, you'll be able to possibly find and target the right clients you have ever searched for. Possibilities are endless with SEO Finder, so start using it today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. You won't regret it, as you will be fed with the latest marketing tips and tricks. And also don't forget to watch the related videos about Facebook tips we have already uploaded.